USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you. Go and press them, subscribe and like, it's all free. And then below the video we have the first link saying swing like a pro. So if you click on the first link, you will come to this page where you can see all these setup videos. And I have told before time that this is going to happen, and that happened. So go and check out these setup videos first, then you will understand what I'm talking about in your free time. So and then you can join the program if you want. Coming back to the second link here, it says book consultation. If you want to speak with me 1-2, you can book consultation and join the brokers. The third link is absolutely free, my Telegram. Go and join my Telegram for free. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what is going on? Weekly, we are above the EMA, cool, so fine. And in daily, we are still below the EMA, but we have some signs. You see, this was your previous low, which was taken by this wick. Okay, so previous lows has been taken by this wick, and then now we're gonna go up. So we are in the uptrend for now, and 4 hour is confirming that. 4 hour we are above the EMA. So look for longs after the pullback. Okay. We are exhausted right now with this red candle, you can see. So pull back, then we go long in USDCAD. If you want precise entry, exit and TP, then make sure you join this program. And I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.